go. There we go, folks. Another smallie. This one's about 13 or 14. Not too bad. I was on the Ned rig. Okay, one more look. Oh! That's a nice one. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful fish. There we go, folks. Look at that. That's a beautiful smallmouth. Look at that. Let him go. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.